Freedom fighters. Freedom fighters were those great leaders who sacrificed their lives with fearless courage to bring freedom to the nation. They struggled a lot to make India free from the Britishers and an independent country. The list of freedom fighters is endless. Some of them are known while others quickly sacrificed their life for the protection of their motherland. At present, whatever convenience and freedom we got in our life is just because of these freedom fighters. Some of the famous freedom fighters are Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Rani Lakshmibai, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and Bhagat Singh. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi was the great leader of the freedom movement. He was saying, "Work is worship. Truth and non-violence were his weapons to fight against the Britishers." He contributed a lot to the Indian freedom fight movement. He joined the non-cooperative movement to curb the policies implemented by the Britishers. He made unity among Indians and generated the spirit of patriotism. He joined the civil disobedience movement to curb the tax on salt brutal rules of Britishers. He joined actively in the Quit India movement against the Britishers. He utilized his time, efforts, energy, and spirit to achieve freedom in India instead of expecting anything for his contribution. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was one of the great leaders who gave up everything and fought for the freedom of India. He was the first Prime Minister of India after India got independence. He joined Mahatma Gandhi against discarding the legislations produced by the Britishers. He was imprisoned with Gandhiji for standing against the SALT Act. When released from prison, both of them reunited their Congress party and fought together against Britishers. He was imprisoned a number of times in spite of stopping himself to fight against the injustice of Britishers. Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai was also a great freedom fighter. She is the epitome of women's empowerment for the future generation. She fought for the freedom of the nation in spite of many struggles and hardships. She never gave up her nation because of her child. Instead, she took him to fight against injustice in the war. Her story to achieve freedom is more inspirable and vigorous. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was a great and courageous leader who fought for India's freedom. He was not following peace and non-violence to fight against the Britishers. His command for freedom was, "Give me your blood and I will give you freedom." He took Hitler's help for raising the Indian National Army to show the power of Indians to Britishers. Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh is considered one of the most powerful revolutionaries of Indian independence movement. He inspired thousands to take up the cause of the freedom movement. He was a brave freedom fighter. He was born on 28 September 1907 in Punjab, India, now Pakistan, to a Sikh family. Thank you.